Well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard Diaries. As I had mentioned before, I was going to be receiving some new scents from the Beard Struggle, and they're in. There were 7 scents received. I'm going to go through and I'm going to describe each one of these scents to you. Here we go. The first one, we're going to go in alphabetical order. Asgardian Secret. It's a soft, woodsy vanilla, if that makes sense. It's not too sweet, and so that's where that kind of the woodsy smell comes into play. And let me forewarn you, I should have said this in the beginning, I'm by no means an expert. I'm not even an amateur in describing scents. I'm gonna do this to the best of my ability. All right, up next we have alphabetical order. Let's see here. Next up, Freya's Bliss. All right, Freya, let's see what you got. All right, so Freya's Bliss is like a citrusy lime scent and with a touch of pine. So this is, again, Freya's Bliss, citrusy lime with a touch of pine. Okay. Next up, let's see here. We have Ragnarock, and let's see here, Ragnarock. This one is a cinnamon. Not overwhelming by any means, but yeah, definitely a cinnamon smell. So that is Ragnarock, and it smells like cinnamon. Okay, so that is Ragnarock. Next one we have Loki Unscented. All right, Loki Unscented. Let's see what you smell like. It smells like nothing. It really is, it really smells like nothing. So that's that's kind of easy. Loki Unscented. Doesn't smell like anything. Okay, next up we have Valkyrie's Oud. Valkyrie's Oud. Let's see here. So this is a vanilla scent. Again, this is Valkyrie's Oud. It's a vanilla scent with a touch of floral to it. And it's just a tad bit of floral, mostly vanilla. And that is Valkyrie's Oud. Boom. Next up, we have Viking Honour. Let's see here. So Viking Honour, this is a nice, clean mint smell. Again, that's Viking Honour, yeah. Yeah, nice, subtle, clean mint smell. And again, that is Viking Honour. Next up, Viking Storm. And with this, woodsy, it's subtle, it's soft. Another one of those, like a woodsy, powdery scent. Almost kind of like a, how some shaving creams smell, if that makes any sense. Makes any sense. So yeah, a woodsy, powdery scent to it. And that is Viking Storm. Okay, we are done with the 7 scents. Hopefully that helped clear up what they smell like. Now, in regard to where you can find them at www.thebeardstruggle.com, and they also have an Instagram, which is @thebeardstruggle. Okay, now that that is done, in regards to what's coming up next on the channel, I'm gonna actually be going over the nighttime elixirs that they have in their scents, in addition to a haircutting tutorial, and one that I've actually received a ton of requests for, nutrition. In that vlog, we're gonna be covering macronutrients, lowering your body fat percentage, logging your food, goals, accountability. There's gonna be a lot of information, so hopefully you'll be able to see it and you find that useful. And speaking of useful, hopefully you found this vlog useful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.